welcome to day 9 of SQL50 series. Today's problem statement is rising temperature. Let's look at the tables first. So first we have weather, which has ID, record date, and temperature, having data types as integer, date, and integer respectively. There are no different rows with the same record date. These informations will be important uh, to make sure that we get same results as expected. This table contains information about temperature on a certain day. So for each ID, we have record date and we have temperature. Write a solution to find all dates ID with higher temperatures compared to its previous dates, that is yesterday. Return the date result table in any order. This is also important. We know that we don't have to use order by. The result format should be like this. So we have this input table with ID, record date, and temperature, and we should return IDs where previous day's temperature was higher. So let's look at this. The temperature is higher than previous day. Sorry, I made a mistake there. So we would return the IDs where temperature is higher than previous day. So 25 is higher than 10 and so on. So first we will go through my solution, which is slightly more elaborate, and then we will go through another one which I found in the solutions section. So what I did here is first I'm doing a join to get the columns that I want to compare side by side. Right now, they are in different rows and we cannot really compare them like this. And I will use join to get the two temperatures side by side so that we can compare between the two different columns and make the decision. So for that, what I am doing is first we will look at this part of the query. So first I'm getting ID recorded minus interval 1 day as previous date. So for every given date, I'm just calculating the previous date, but this temperature is still current dates or record dates temperature. So this is the first one. The second one is I'm taking the record date and temperature. So this record date and temperature will be used to find temperature of the previous date. So when I am joining these two tables on previous date, what we will get? We will have ID, we will have record date, we will have a previous date, we'll have temperature of today, and we will also get temperature of yesterday because we are making this join. And then this is the part where we want the condition that today's temperature should be higher than previous day's temperature. So here we are getting temperature greater than previous temperature. So that will make sure that our condition is met. Now we will select all the IDs where this condition is met. So I always try to build the solution part by part. So first I got the columns side by side by using a simple left join. And after that, I filtered with the condition that is mentioned in the problem statement, and there you have the solution. In the editorial, there is another interesting solution which is much smaller than mine. Here, we are simply just selecting the ID, and the weather table is uh, cross-joined with weather table, like it is cross-joined with itself. One table is named as yesterday and one table is named as today. Now, cross-join will uh, create all sorts of combinations, right? How do we filter today and previous day? That's happening here. So here with the date diff keyword, we are making sure that the comparison is happening between today and yesterday. So that's what is happening here. And this is the temperature condition. So here we are making sure that the comparison is happening between the record dates, which is today's and previous day, like immediate previous day, and the temperature, today's temperature is higher than previous day's temperature. So yeah, this is a short and sweet solution.